In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Instagram shopping with Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a shoppable Instagram feed connected to your Shopify store, so your customers can discover products on Instagram and buy them directly from your site. First, start by logging into your Shopify dashboard. This is your main control center where you manage products, orders, and apps. Once you're on the dashboard home screen, look toward the top of the page for the search bar. The search bar is the quickest way to move around your admin without clicking through lots of menus. Click into the search bar and type Apps. When the Apps section appears in the results, go ahead and click on it. This will open the Apps area of your Shopify admin, where you can manage the apps you already have installed and discover new ones to extend your store's functionality. On the Apps page, look for the option that says All Recommended Apps and click on it. This will show you a curated list of apps that Shopify suggests based on common needs. From there, find and click on the link that says Discover More in the Shopify App Store. This is what takes you into the full app marketplace, where we can search for the specific app we need. Once the Shopify App Store opens, move to the search bar at the top and type in InstaFeed for Instagram feed. This app will allow you to display your Instagram posts as a shoppable feed on your storefront. When you see InstaFeed for Instagram feed appear in the search results, click on it to open the app's detail page. Here you can quickly review the description, pricing, and reviews if you want, just to make sure it fits your needs. Next, click on the Install button. Shopify will redirect you back to your store's admin and show you an installation confirmation screen. On this screen, review the permissions the app is requesting, then click Install again to confirm and add it to your store. After installation, you'll be taken into the app's setup flow. In the Pick a Plan section, look for the option labeled Shoppable Feed and click Continue under that plan. This is the feature that allows your Instagram posts to link directly to your products. Shopify will then show you a billing approval page or a confirmation step. Click Approve and follow the simple setup process inside the app. This usually includes connecting your Instagram account and choosing how the feed appears on your store. Once you finish, your Instagram shopping setup